Yo, what's up everybody, it's your name and welcome to Future Hub. You ever just scroll through your feed and bam, crazy new tech just hits you right in the face? We're talking brain-computer interfaces, AI learning faster than ever before, robots chilling in our living rooms, the whole 9 yards. These breakthroughs are happening right now, and they're about to flip the script on how we live, work, and play. So buckle up because today we're diving deep into the 7 mind-blowing inventions that are gonna reshape humanity as we know it. Let's go! First up, neural interfaces, and yeah, it's as insane as it sounds. We're talking about companies like Neuralink, straight up developing brain-computer interfaces. Imagine controlling your tech with your thoughts. No more tapping, no more typing, just pure brain-to-device connection. For folks dealing with paralysis, this could be absolutely life-changing, giving them back control in ways we never thought possible. Gaming? Forget VR headsets. This is full-on immersive experiences controlled by your mind. And everyday tech? Texting, calling, browsing, all hands-free, all brain-powered. We could be talking about downloading skills directly to our brains, Matrix style. Learning a new language? Boom, downloaded. The potential here is mind-boggling, and it's only a matter of time before this tech starts blurring the lines between science fiction and reality. Next up, we're diving into the world of quantum computing. Imagine a computer so powerful, it can make today's tech look like those old-school calculators. Traditional computers use bits, zeros and ones, to process information. Quantum computers? They use qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. It's like physics decided to go wild, and the result is mind-blowing processing power. We're talking about solving problems that would take classical computers years, even centuries, in the blink of an eye. This could revolutionize everything from medicine to materials science. Imagine developing life-saving drugs in days, not years, or creating completely new materials with unheard-of properties. Quantum computing is still in its early stages, but the potential is so massive that it's impossible to ignore. This tech has the potential to unlock solutions to some of humanity's biggest challenges. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, artificial intelligence, but forget what you think you know because AI is evolving faster than ever before. We're talking about machines that can actually learn on their own. This is the era of self-learning AI, where algorithms analyze massive data sets, identify patterns, and make predictions with minimal human intervention. Think about the applications, personalized healthcare plans, self-driving cars, or even AI assistants that can actually understand and respond to your needs like a real assistant. But with great power comes great responsibility, right? As AI becomes more sophisticated, we need to make sure it's developed ethically and responsibly. Now, let's talk about something a little more tangible, three-dimensional printing. You've probably seen those cool three-dimensional printed figurines, or maybe even some more complex designs. But what if I told you, three-dimensional printing is about to get a whole lot more interesting? Enter four-dimensional printing. Yeah, you heard that right. Four-dimensional. Imagine printing objects that can change shape or even self-assemble over time. Imagine the possibilities. Buildings that adapt to weather conditions, medical implants that adjust to the human body, even self-healing infrastructure. This isn't just science fiction. This is the future of manufacturing, and it's closer than you think. Four-dimensional printing has the potential to revolutionize how we design, build, and interact with the world around us. Let's be real, robots have always had a bit of a PR problem. But the reality is, robots are becoming more and more integrated into our lives, and this time it's not just about replacing jobs on the assembly line. We're talking about advanced robots with sophisticated AI capabilities, robots that can learn tasks, adapt to new environments, and even interact with humans in a more natural way. Imagine robots that can help with everyday chores, provide companionship to the elderly, or even explore hazardous environments too dangerous for humans. With advancements in AI and machine learning, the possibilities for advanced robotics are practically limitless. Now we're getting into some truly groundbreaking territory: CRISPR gene editing. This is the kind of technology that has the potential to change everything. Imagine a world where we could literally rewrite the code of life itself, correcting genetic defects, eradicating diseases, and even enhancing human capabilities. CRISPR allows scientists to target specific genes within DNA with incredible precision, acting like a pair of molecular scissors that can cut and paste genetic material. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for treating genetic diseases and revolutionizing agriculture. Finally, let's talk about something that could solve one of humanity's biggest challenges: fusion energy. We all know the world is grappling with an energy crisis, but what if we could harness the power source of the stars themselves? That's the promise of fusion energy, creating clean, safe, and virtually limitless energy by fusing atoms together, just like the sun. Scientists have been chasing this holy grail of energy for decades, and recent breakthroughs suggest we might be closer than ever. Fusion energy could be the key to solving our global energy crisis and ensuring a brighter future for generations to come. So, there you have it, the 7 mind-blowing inventions that are going to reshape humanity as we know it. From brain-computer interfaces to quantum computing, from self-learning AI to fusion energy, these breakthroughs are pushing the boundaries of what's possible and forcing us to rethink our place in the world. Which one of these inventions are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments down below and let's get a conversation going. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next deep dive into the world of groundbreaking tech and innovation. This is Future Hub signing out. Peace.